California Railroad Museum, located in the historic Old Sacramento Waterfront district, is one of the premier railroad museums in the United States. Established in 1981, the museum attracts over 500,000 visitors each year, offering a rich journey through the history of railroading in the American West. The museum's extensive collection includes 21 meticulously restored locomotives and railroad cars, some dating back as far as 1862. These exhibits do more than display mechanical ingenuity. They tell the story of how railroads transformed travel, commerce, and daily life in the United States. To round out the visit, the California State Railroad Museum features a well-stocked gift shop that offers a variety of railroad-themed merchandise. In all, the California State Railroad Museum is more than just a collection of trains. It's a dynamic and engaging destination that preserves the legacy of the railroad era and educates the public on its lasting impact on California and the nation.